7 common decluttering mistakes to avoid. Setting specific and clear decluttering goals for your home can provide direction and motivation. There are 7 key mistakes you should avoid when decluttering. Below, we will discover what mistakes you should avoid to be successful in your decluttering journey. Let's get started. Common decluttering mistakes. Mistake number 1, not having a plan. There's a saying we love, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Plain and simple, you need to have a plan. Everyone's decluttering journey is going to look different, so consider what your individual plan is before getting started. Keep your decluttering roadmap in clear view to help you stay on track. You'll thank yourself later. Mistake number 2, avoiding perfectionism. Aim for progress, not perfection. Decluttering is a journey, not a one-time event. Embrace the process to create a more intentional and fulfilling living space. Remember, decluttering goes beyond getting rid of things. It's about creating a functional and calming home environment. Mistake number 3, overthinking. It's easy to get stuck analyzing the sentimental value of an item. Instead, focus on how it makes you feel and its current use. For example, your grandmother's china glasses shouldn't just sit on a shelf. Use them and create memories. Things are meant to be enjoyed, not to gather dust. Mistake number 4, not being realistic. Decluttering can be overwhelming, especially with larger spaces. Break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. Streamline your categories to avoid being overwhelmed. Group similar items together to better understand your belongings and spot potential duplicates. Mistake number 5, holding on to items just in case. A good rule of thumb, if an item costs less than $20 and can be replaced in less than 20 minutes, recycle, donate, or sell it if it's not serving an immediate purpose. Every item we keep takes up mental and physical space. Mistake number 6, not starting with a room of greatest annoyance. Sometimes starting small isn't enough. If you've been working on decluttering with no big wins, find that one space that really annoys you. For example, if your living room makes you cringe every time you walk in, start there. The 3-box method can help. Keep, donate, and trash boxes make sorting efficient. Mistake number 7, trying to organize before decluttering. If you're struggling to organize, chances are you need to declutter first. Organizing should be simple once you've decluttered. Use the one-in, one-out rule to maintain balance. Donate or remove one item for every new item brought into the house. Tips for sustainable decluttering. To maintain your newly decluttered space, spend just 5 minutes decluttering each day. It's sometimes called the 5-minute tidy. Another great habit is setting a regular day for donation drop-offs. Don't overthink where to donate, just get it out of your house. Choose a charitable organization you like for donating items. If you're looking to make some extra cash, sell items worth a set amount, say $50 or more, and avoid selling low-value items. Moreover, implementing a family-wide decluttering routine can be beneficial. Encourage all members to participate in keeping the home clutter-free. This not only lightens the individual burden, but also fosters a shared responsibility for maintaining a serene living space. Additionally, consider adopting a mindset of mindful consumption. Before purchasing new items, ask yourself if they truly add value to your life. This approach helps in preventing unnecessary clutter from accumulating in the future. Conclusion? Embracing minimalism means focusing on owning only what you need and truly value. The benefits of decluttering and simplifying your life will far outweigh any physical possession. A decluttered life opens up so many possibilities, freeing up time for activities or hobbies you truly enjoy. No more spending all your time cleaning. Let's get the ball rolling and start our decluttering journey today. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All things simple.